this is the Aputure Lantern. So we're gonna unbox it and check it out. See if this thing can hold it. Now, on any of the other unboxing videos on YouTube, I didn't see anybody test the strength of this light. So to see if it could actually hold any like Bowen's soft boxes or anything like that. So let's see what it can do. So far, it's a pretty powerful light, but yeah. All right. A box in a box. Who would have thought? Nice. So the lantern comes in a really cool soft case. So there's that. I mean, there's a couple other things in here. So in the kit, the Amazon kit that I ordered, it comes with a couple of these like things that go in front of your Bowman's mount reflector. So that's pretty cool. So let's pop this puppy open. See what we got. So I ordered the one that has the black stuff that goes around it. I forget what it's called. Some people use Duvetine. It's so that you can shape the light and all that kind of stuff. So that's what that is. And then this is the lantern itself. This is so cool. This is the lantern itself. This is really cool. So now I know why it came in this case. Let me angle the camera downwards real quick so you can see how it pops in and out. So it's supposed to be wicked easy, and when you look into the light, which I'm going to show you an angle here, you'll be able to see what it can do. So first, I guess, you hold this part up, and then next you just push it down and hook it on. Once you do, wicked easy. There you go. Okay. It really wasn't that bad. It's just I'm on a wooden floor. It's a little slippery. So then you got this thing. This is so cool. I honestly, like, this is for like around $90. This softbox is 100% worth it. So then you just make sure that you're all Velcroed up here up top. And because it's Bowen's mount, now we get to see if this thing really works. So let's see if this yoke can hold on to something that, this isn't even that large. Maybe weighs like a couple pounds, if that. So yeah, let's see if this is gonna work. Okay. So this is as tight as it goes. Let me turn this around so you can see it. Okay. So this is totally loose. And obviously it's gonna fall in sync, right? Like, look at the play, right? But when I tighten it as much as I can, I don't want to break it, but you can see even on this softbox, like, so that's tight, and then so that's definitely not holding up. it's just gonna fall, which is a real bummer because I would have loved to use this light as like a main portable key light type of deal, but because it can't even hold up the softbox. I mean, so here's what I have a shoot coming up, and what I'm gonna end up doing is I'll use this, but you know, the angle, you can't really control the angle, so it's just gonna be pointed down. So there's really no point in putting so much stress on this yoke here. So you might as well just tighten it, you know, firmly, but not, you know, not all the way, and then just kind of letting it drop. And then use that 45-degree angle to set your light. So I want to do one more experiment. This is a C-stand. Let me raise this up. And so this is what you'll end up doing. You know, you'll be shooting the light down on your subject and all that kind of stuff. Let me plug it in so that you can see it on. It's really sweet. I mean, you can tell it's really nice. It's beautiful diffusion and it works so well, but the stinking light can't even hold it, which is a real bummer. And that's pretty firm, you know. So let me just bring it up a little bit. I'm gonna have to turn this around so that it's this way, and you can see the light. So I got the remote for the Sokani here, and I'm just gonna turn up the intensity to 100. Oh, it's on effect, sorry. All right, let's turn this up to 100. We're at 25. That's 50. This is doing a really good job. It's a really nice light. And that is 100%. So that is soft light. And I think I need to adjust these things here, but I'm gonna adjust it so that it's like if I were actually doing an interview. Give me a sec. Yeah, so this light, it's not terrible. I hope that it looks good on camera. But it's definitely very soft and pretty even. Let me throw that, let me throw the other thing on it here. So this is pretty cool. I've never actually used something like this before, but it's gonna allow me to shape this light. So let me bring this down. So what you're supposed to do is wrap this all the way around. Sorry guys, I got it wrong. And you're supposed to follow these little black seams lined up to one of the little Velcro pieces here. So I'm learning. We're learning together. All right, very cool. So then they Velcro to each other like this. So I would only do the back for this interview style piece, so that it can roll up into itself, which is pretty darn cool, if you ask me. Oh, I guess you're gonna want to do the individual squares here. So, probably see that. This is nifty. So now let me place it back where it was for the interview. So now there shouldn't be so much light spilling everywhere. I think that is a lot better. So there's one last thing I wanted to test, which is because this light is so small, the Sokani, I wanted to see if it would work on a smaller light stand. So this is an Amazon newer light stand. So let's pop it on this and see if it works. Or if the light stand will just like topple down. So here we go. This is kind of going to be pushing this light stand to its limits. So, all right, hope you can see that. All right, it feels pretty secure right now, actually. So I'm gonna lift it up. See how high we can get. That's max right now. Wow, that is surprisingly sturdy. So, I mean, you can see there's a little bit of sway, but if you throw on a sandbag on here, this stand is pretty good, so I'd feel confident with it. So that's a wrap on that. I hope that answers your questions on this light and maybe this lantern as well. And like I always say, don't forget to make your goals and dreams a reality, and remember that you can do it. See y'all on the next one. Peace. Hello, my people. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you want to see more, there's some videos over there and down there in the description. But please make sure you like, subscribe, and share with anyone you think would love to watch these videos too. All right, see you on the next one. Peace.